Hello everyone, Mauricio here. Welcome to the first video of my Q&A series where I try to answer common questions from the front-end web world. Today's question is, how to redirect to a web page using pure JavaScript? And the answer is, use replace or assign methods of the location object inside the document object. If you want a little more explanation on the matter, keep watching this video. The location object has two methods to redirect the user to a new URL, assign and replace. So why two methods? Because each of them operates over the browser history in distinct ways. Replace will change the user's current position in the navigation history. Assign will keep it and it will create a new position. Not too difficult, right? Let me show you this with a quick example. We have here the index file that has two buttons. One is going to use the replace method and the other one the assign method. Both are going to redirect the user to the index2 file. And in the index2 file, we'll find a button that will allow the user to go back to the previous page in the navigation history. Let's head over the browser now. As you can see, the assign and replace buttons are here. If I click assign, the browser redirects me to the index2 file. I can see the go back button of the browser enabled and my button working great. But if I click replace, my button does nothing and the go back button of the browser is disabled. So that's it, that's how assign and replace work. Thank you for watching this Q&A, and if you liked it, please give it a thumb up, and if you want to watch more like this one, please subscribe to the bracket. And don't forget to click on the bell icon to receive a notification every Monday when I upload a new video. See you next week!